What are the most popular PLC programming languages? Based on the International Electrotechnical Commission, PLC programming languages are classified into 5 main standards: ladder logic diagram, function block diagram, structured text, sequential function charts, and instruction list (IL). Instruction list was deprecated in the IEC standard, which means it's doubtful that new PLCs will be programmed with it. Since some current PLCs may still use IL, however, it's helpful to know what it's all about. Each one of these languages has advantages, weaknesses, and best use cases. As a competent PLC programmer, it's essential to be aware of these options to troubleshoot existing code, utilize the right tool for the job. Ladder logic diagram. The most utilized language for PLC programming is ladder logic. This is due to the fact that it's highly flexible, easy to learn, and very well understood by electricians who have worked with schematics that model the same architecture. So ladder logic is a graphical language based on relay logic circuit diagrams. Ladder diagram consists of 2 parallel bars connected by a series of rungs. There are contacts and coils on these rungs. Contacts symbolize inputs and coils represent outputs. Also, there are several types of function block that define a type of logic behavior or calculation, like timers. State machines, PID control, and systems with an abundance of Boolean algebra are some use cases that are well suited for ladder logic. Function block diagrams. The second most popular PLC programming language is called function block diagram. It consists of various kinds of blocks that have inputs and outputs. Additionally, blocks connect to each other. The output of one block can feed into another block's input. If your system requires a lot of motion control planning and repetitive tasks, then FBD could be the straightforward approach. Structured text. Structured text is a high-level PLC programming language. It's a textual language with syntax comparable to C or C++. In ST, statements such as if, for example, are used to perform functions. This language is best for doing things like looping, manipulating data, complicated math, or searching data. Sequential function charts. Sequential function charts is a graphical PLC programming language based on GraphSit. It consists of steps and transitions. Steps are the actions to be performed, and transitions are the logic conditions that need to be met before moving on to the next step. A major benefit to using SFC is how it can simplify a complicated process by dividing it up into more manageable parts. It also can be easier to test and troubleshoot than some of the other languages here. SFC is ideal for complex multi-state processes, linked processes, when there are multiple processes to be run in parallel or sequentially, and batch production. Instruction lists PLC. IL consists of many lines of code, with a single instruction per line, and is similar to assembler language. Instruction list is very straightforward to read because each line is executed sequentially. Due to the deprecation of IL, if you're considering using it for new programs, you should opt for structured text instead. Thanks for watching.